Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Volkswagen Tiguan guys, and if you have a Volkswagen Tiguan and let's say you have engine light on because of a bad ignition coil and you're trying to locate where your ignition coils are located, stay with us, we'll cover that today guys, and we'll explain what needs to be done to remove and replace one. So guys, you have 4 ignition coils on that Tiguan. Why? Because it's a 4-cylinder engine. We're going to talk about that in just a little bit, but quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, and on that Tiguan alone we'll have 300 to 400 free repair videos on our channels guys. And why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to our channel and like the video guys. If you need to buy any replacement parts or tools, let's say new ignition coil, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, the ones that we use. So I'll go ahead, open the hood quick guys, okay, support it, and I will show you where you can expect to find your ignition coils. Okay, let me grab the camera quick. So this is a 2014 model, but it should work for the whole generation from year 2007 all the way to year 2017 guys. This is a 2.0 liter TSI engine, and now let me introduce you quick guys to our channels. That channel, Auto Repair guys, this is our main channel, and you're going to see most of the videos will be published there. Mechanical videos, taking the car apart, things like that, or mechanics that you're watching now. This is more of an informational channel guys, teaches you where the different components are and how your car works. And we have electrical car repair live channel guys that explains car diagnostics, engine lights, fuses, things like that. So very important information, check it out guys. There will be quite a bit of information shared on that Tiguan there as well. So once you guys open the hood, where do you find the ignition coils? Okay, everything is hidden as you can see, very hidden engine, but you can actually get to them pretty quick. Okay, you're going to lift that cover up. Okay, that cover has 4 rubber bushings guys. Okay, 3 rubber bushings, 1, 2, 3, 4, excuse me, 4. Okay, right there. And where they attached to, okay, you can see these bolts right here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once you guys remove that cover, this is the top of your engine, this is your valve cover here, and ignition coils guys, where they are, okay, they're right here guys. Okay, those are the ignition coils, cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see all 4 ignition coils. Now if you can just replace one of them. Okay, you don't have to replace all of them, but if one started going bad, I'll recommend to get a new set of 4 and just the old ones keep them as spares guys. But I noticed that if one starts going out, probably the next, you never know, it could be 5,000 miles, could be 20,000, could be another 100,000 miles, and another one will go out. But usually I noticed that the second one will go out soon after that. So how you guys remove them? Okay, you need to disconnect the wiring harness. We'll have the complete video about the replacement, but once you remove the wiring harness, disconnect it, you just grab the ignition coil and pull it straight up. It will be stuck a little bit because it attaches to the spark plug. Hopefully guys, video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and if you want to see the complete replacement video, it will be on Auto Repair guys. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.